Yay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Joy Eats.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm just sensational.
So what are we eating today, Ryan?
Sea burgers.
Yes.
Fish burgers.
Yes. Tempura. Tempura fish. That is.
It's a type of fish?
No.
Oh, I
Type
see.
of batter.
Excellent.
So, and we have, what is this?
It looks like shrimp.
Shrimp popcorn. Popcorn shrimp?
Well,
Shrimp popcorn.
Either way.
Yeah. And some sweet and smoky barbecue French fries. Fries. No French. So it's the game.
Sweet and smoky barbecue.
Yes, I brought it so I can tell you exactly what it is.
Yes. They look like ruffled chips.
Yeah. So let's dig in, my friend.
Yes, indeed. I think I'm going to the hot sauce.
I might put some on the side.
Ooh, you got the symmetrical little fish guys. See that?
This is ranch and ketchup.
Matukes.
They're good. I want some.
Oh, it's so good.
Yes, I love this.
Calypso sauce. Or like your uncle would say.
What would he say?
Calypso.
Calypso.
Why? I don't know. That sounded kind of funny the way you said it.
No, I can't do the accent.
Calypso.
Yeah.
Calypso sauce. Oh. I lose an onion.
I lost an onion.
You did?
No, that's how they say. That my uncle.
Me I lose an
For
onion.
people that don't know, Jamaican.
Me I lose an onion. That was a big bite. You really you committed to that bite, man. All I saw was the teeth coming down.
It's real good. With tartar sauce inside. Tartar sauce inside. Onions.
It actually tastes like fish too.
Well, it is fish, my friend.
No, but I mean sometimes you have those smart. Sometimes they have those those battered fish. Those battered fish. Sometimes they have those battered fish, and it almost tastes like chicken. But this actually tastes like fish.
This smells good.
Shum. Huh?
These French fries. They taste so good. Like, you taste the smoky. Oh,
What do you mean by that? Like, they're so good?
huh? No. Real good.
Real good. They're so real good.
I think they dethroned all French fry I ate before. Not much. I love that.
Dethroned.
Yeah.
I just had a visual.
Let me show you guys what type it is. And not sponsored. Cavendish.
You're too It was all.
Well,
That was.
sweet and smoky barbecue. Barbecue doux et fumé.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did you try it? You have to try it.
I did. They were so good.
Moyen?
Medium good.
Medium for real?
I'm not a fry guy.
I know you're not.
Well,
What if you were?
no, they're not. They're not crispy.
That's not crispy to your tasting? To your liking?
The last ones we had, the little thin guys.
Yeah.
So it kind of looked like we were eating tree twigs. But yeah, they were pretty good.
It's good.
It even, it's like it even tastes healthy. I just remembered something my mom said when I was a kid.
What'd you say?
And stuff was healthy. She says it's healthy. It'll put hair on your chest. So I like to say thanks, Mom. You fed me so healthily. I've got hair all over the place, not just my chest now. In places that I didn't think I was going to get hair.
Do you like these? I like them. They don't taste like shrimp. They're good. But these are better.
They dethrone the shrimp as well. You know, I can understand why restaurants don't do a lot of fish burgers.
Why?
Because, I mean, the difference between like a big burger where you're.
I love fish burgers. Was that good?
I don't know. We'll have to hear it later on. But you know what I've noticed?
No. What? What did you notice?
I noticed that because.
Ooh.
Really?
I don't know. I don't know about this.
So it's a new water that we found.
My first time trying it. Let me just hide it.
And Joy likes peach. As we saw with the peach ice cream. So I saw this and I said, let me pick up some of that. And that face you just made just told me that, well, maybe we got, how many cans? 12 or 24?
12.
12 too many.
Maybe you'd like it.
Well, maybe. But what I was saying was, personally, if I have the choice between, and I think a lot of people, a choice between a big juicy burger and a fish burger, I think most people jump on the burger, the beef.
I go chicken or fish.
But then, when you see, like a place like what McDonald's is serving for a fish burger, That's not appetizing whatsoever.
I like their fish burger.
Listen, honey, their fish burger better go sit down compared to this burger here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So, like, they could do it so much better.
Now this sip was better than the first one.
What?
This sip was better than the first one. But it's still not as good as like the other one that we'd usually drink. Or there's like a sour.
Well, as long as it doesn't taste like medicine.
Yeah, a little medicine-y.
Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe it's healthy. Maybe it puts hair on your chest.
Yeah, medicine-y. It's a little bit. But some people like medicine-y taste. I'm getting full.
It's because you're eating all that sauce. Mm-hmm. You're very saucy.
Mm-hmm. So try your water.
I will, but I can't try it right after having a pickle. Ooh, peach and pickle.
It doesn't taste like peach.
Oh. Let's see if I can pour this like I do from a bottle.
Okay. We definitely splashed all type of water inside the mic.
Excellent.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
As much as we enjoyed the peach water.
Please thumbs up,
Thumbs up.
comment, subscribe,
Subscribe.
hit the bell.
Ding.
I let you get it.
Yes. This, I won this time.
We'll see you guys very soon with another video. I hope you guys stay safe. We love you. Bye.
See ya.